Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove microphone pop sounds in Premiere Pro. So basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and locate the microphone pop right here. And let's go ahead and say that this specific part of the video is the microphone pop. So what you want to do is to simply grab the cut or razor tool right here. It's going to be the C button, and then you want to cut on the both sides of the microphone pop. From there, you then want to click the audio, navigate through essential sounds. If you don't have this window, just navigate through the Windows section, click on essential sounds, and from here you then want to scroll down, click on repair, and from here the first thing that you want to do is to simply click on the reduce rumble button. Right after enabling reduce rumble, you can just go ahead and replay the video and see if it works. But if not, you can then go ahead and make this slider more higher. And from there, this will then go ahead and fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.